the owner of the bunker.
Again.
Good afternoon.
Going with it? Yeah.
What are we melting, owner of the bunker?
We're melting silver bar. And we have to force it in. So we need a torch. Is it too full or no? Yeah, it's too full. Let's take that out. We should take that out.
We can't do that yet, huh?
Yeah. Because it's gonna be over.
Oh, let's break.
Let's put it on the side.
All right, so you're gonna do like half at a time then.
Yes. We can only do as much as it fits. It only fits 8 kilos.
Gotcha. Well, at least they got to see the torch. The kids on YouTube are gonna love they got to see the torch.
I was complaining more. Complaining more.
What was up with this bar? How come you had to remelt it?
It was a bad melt,
Okay.
and we want to get paid more.
Oh, okay. I gotcha.
And guess who this is? This is the real scrapper right there.
The scrapper of the bunker.
No.
I'm gonna upgrade to refiner.
Exactly. Head refiner.
Head refiner, proper manager, eBay department.
Everything. Oh, look at that! Right to the tippy top.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Look at how perfect! Right to the tippy top.
He's professional.
Is he professional?
The reason why we do that is because we don't want the bar to bubble.
Exactly.
That's why he's holding the heat
Gotcha.
for it to be a flat bar.
And then you got another half over there still.
Yeah,
Which is
got
going to
it.
be the same thing.
We gotta force it in.
Got it. All right. All right. So let's get it cool off there, gang. And the owner of the bunker, it looks like he wants to fire up.
it first?
No, it's not ready. We didn't have borax on the dummy.
Don't do this at home. By the way, don't do this at home. This is too dangerous for
Very dangerous.
non-professionals.
And you gotta wear a mask and other stuff. We just don't have time to do.
All right, so here goes the other half of the bar.
That's why you see 2 men, not 1.
Got it. This is why Scott got his stand way back, because it is dangerous. All right, it's getting in there. It's going
Up
now.
and put it sideways.
It's going now. It's going.
Maybe even put it there first. It's gonna go in, huh?
It's going in.
Let me get it a little bit more.
Hello.
Let it go slowly.
There you go. There you go. All right, gang.
Okay. This is for the bar to come out easier.
Watch yourself. Stand back. Stand back. Head refiner. Head refiner. Very professional.
Guys, don't forget we've been melting in smaller bars. We've been melting. So this is a heavy and a hot
All right.
shit we call it. Look at that sucker. It's not even coming out.
Oh, it's at the top.
It's all the way in the top.
Is it wait a minute. Is it
Okay.
if it cools, will it just come out, or is it?
It's just full. Like there's no space for the air to be like bounced for it to come out easier. But we want a bar like full.
Oh yeah,
That's the whole purpose of buying those big bars.
exactly.
Molds, I mean.
The big molds. All right. We'll get that out there.
So do we got a? That's it for
I'm
this.
part Indian, my ESL is messed up. I'm part Indian.
All right.
My ESL is messed up.
It's like soup.
Yep.
Soup's on.
We're good.
He's gonna put some salt and pepper in it.
Now do you have another mold that's the same as that one?
But it's not that much. It's like this one right here.
Are you sure, or are you going to
It
overflow?
can go right here.
It may overflow. I don't know.
But I'd rather you put it here. Because the flatter the bar,
The better.
the better for the assay, I noticed. When the bar is thick, it's a problem.
Oh yeah.
When the bar is flat, so the test is perfect.
Well,
We'll be back.
Okay.
after you message it.
All right. Well,
Oh, well. We just banging.
the head refiner is banging his head over. Banging the mold a little bit here.
He's
I'm
not ready.
I'm kind of wondering if the bunker lady would have had this out
Oh yeah,
already.
she would have. She would have.
Are you trying to say the bunker lady is more professional?
Oh yes. Oh, most definitely.
Do you think she needs to come back for more than a cameo appearance?
That'd be up to her. But yeah.
Yeah, she's kind of out. She's kind of out there right now. I
So
think.
is she?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah. Well, it is what it is.
Yeah.
You know, women can't live with them. Can't live without them.
Right. Right. Look, you know.
What do you think? What do you
So what we
think?
gonna do? So what we gonna
This is
do?
Bunker
like
owner?
a tandoor. You know, tandoor is where they do bread in Uzbekistan.
Oh, okay.
That's a certain
So what
type
they
of
do,
bread.
they do this. Yeah, it's like it's hot.
I like fire. I say, ooh, so what are we gonna put it in?
You know what I'm kind of thinking right now. I'm kind of thinking Putin could be in and out of Venezuela before you get this car out of here.
What happened? What happened? He said something about food.
Yeah, Putin. Putin's not a bad guy.
I heard Putin was not even, it doesn't even exist.
Put it in here.
Yeah.
Pour it out in there.
We have Russia collusion trying to get it out of the mold.
Damn. Boom.
Oh, owner of the bunker, nice, clean.
Nice,
It's called the dunk.
The dunk.
Slam dunk. He just grabbed the
I
ball.
was right. I was right.
It's basketball season. That was the dunk.
That's it.
There you go.
Booga.
All right,
You
gang.
can flip that one out.
So
Flip him out.
I don't know. I'm going to stand back here because the professionals get going.
It'd come right up right there.
I have to give them room. When they get going, I have to give them room.
I need something to like.
You got to ask yourself.
There it is.
You got to ask yourself. There you go.
There it is.
There you go. All right, a quick quench. A quick quench. Quick quench.
Can you imagine what it's doing to the water?
It's a good. It's a
What
good
it can do
thing.
to your hand if you touch it?
It's a good thing.
I remember the bar was falling down, and I'm trying to catch the bar. Someone's like, "What are you doing?"
Don't catch it. Let it.
The bar is not gonna break.
The bar's not gonna break. Let it fall.
Yeah.
Man, it ain't. Oh, it ain't even. What was that?
All right, so we got to see a couple of quick pours here at the bunker today, gang. And I keep it going, but I don't know if this bar is going to come out before 5 o'clock. But on that note, the owner of the bunker, I gotta talk some business with owner of the bunker. And on that note, the stock jockey and the head refiner, we are
Out.
out.